In this video, we're diving into the By the Mirror embroidery machine, a multi-needle powerhouse designed to make commercial embroidery faster and more versatile. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this embroidery machine in the description below at the best price. The By Mirror embroidery machine comes equipped with the newly upgraded InStitch i5 computer system, which provides a simple 1 to 3 step operation guidance interface. This makes learning the machine much easier, especially for first-time users, and the response is noticeably faster. One of its standout features is the intelligent 3D hat embroidery capability, along with a stride jump function that stabilizes stitching on structural hats. This means you can tackle hats, t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, bags, and even shoes without worrying about inconsistent stitching. With 15 needles and a large 20 by 14-inch embroidery area, this machine allows multi-thread, complex designs to be completed efficiently. It reaches a max speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, while maintaining a stable 850 SPM when working on structural hats, roughly 200 stitches faster than comparable machines on the market. This speed improvement can significantly boost productivity, making it ideal for small businesses and commercial setups. Design input is straightforward thanks to its Wi-Fi and USB connectivity. You can easily transfer DST or DSB files directly from your computer to the machine, and the cloud platform supports batch file operation across multiple devices, streamlining your workflow. Additionally, it has an automatic cost calculation feature to help manage production efficiently. By also offers free training and technical support, understanding that the initial learning curve can be steep for new users. Their team guides you step by step, from unboxing and assembly to threading and tension adjustments, ensuring you quickly become comfortable with the machine. For ongoing inspiration and tips, you can join their 7,000+ user social media group, By Embroidery Machine Family, or follow their video tutorials on BAI Embroidery Machine TV. While the machine is heavier at 391 pounds and takes up a fair amount of space, the combination of speed, precision, and versatility makes it a strong investment for anyone serious about commercial embroidery. Overall, the By Mirror embroidery machine balances professional-grade performance with user-friendly operation, making it a standout option for both beginners and seasoned embroidery shop owners.